how to generate TikTok video script using WriteSonic. Let's head over and click on this video option. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see in here this TikTok, Instagram Reel script. Let's head over and then use this one. And then for this one, you can put in here your video focus. So for example, for this, let's put in here a product showcase. And then you can also specify your product. Product is a Stanley Cup. After that, click on this next. And then you can put in here desired action. Like for example, let's put in here engagement and amusement. And then click on this next. And then once you have done that, it will put in here the unique select point. So let's put in here durability, temperature retention, and eco-friendly. And then click on next. Now let's put in here this humorous kit because this tends to draw a lot of attention. Now click on this generate. And then once you have done that, this will generate a video script for your actual TikTok video. So this TikTok video will actually create this one. We have in here this 5 hilarious TikTok Instagram Reels idea for the product we have. We have in here the indestructible cup challenge. So you should be able to use this to your liking. So that's how you generate TikTok video script using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.